Some news from Paris. The famous Seine River of the capital city of France will have a novel floating movie theatre in the coming week. Cinema on the Water will raffle tickets in Paris for boats that will follow social distancing facing a large movie screen. Our next stop is Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Arabian government has announced that it will limit the number of Hajj pilgrims this year to about 1,000 people only. Last year, 2.5 million performed Hajj. In 2020, only those residing in Saudi Arabia already will be allowed, and applicants will have to go through health checkups before the journey. Hajj is an important pilgrimage to Mecca, the holiest city for Muslims. And now news from South Korea. Hundreds of drones lit up the night sky in Seoul recently with motivational messages as the world battles the coronavirus. The capital city of South Korea saw a beautiful display with messages about wearing masks and gratitude towards healthcare workers.